Hello students. In this chapter we are going to discuss about particularly indicator. Already you know very well the lesson acid, bases and salt. See students, in the indicator are further classified as three type of indicators. They are very important indicators in this lesson. One is litmus paper. The second one, China rose indicator. Third one, phenolphthalein indicator. The first of all, what is indicator? See students, indicator is nothing. Indicator to identify the given solution whether it is acid or bases. Okay. So we are going to use the first test, the litmus test. So what is litmus test? The litmus tests are conducted by the litmus paper, the strip of paper. So two type of litmus paper there in our laboratory. So one is red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. By using these litmus paper, we have to go to find out the given colorless solution or colored solution, whatever it is. But we have to find out the solution are acid or base. How, sir? You take a pinch of paper, a bit of paper or small length of the paper. When it's dipped with an acidic solution, you know very well acidic solution. Different type of acid solution in the lab. Generally, the mineral acid very important. So three important mineral acid in our lab: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. These are the very important mineral acid. We can widely use it for different type of tests. So here they are giving the any acid, just tipped with the litmus paper, litmus paper, it is further converted to dark red color, any acid. So see students, when your acid are tipped with a litmus paper, the color are changed to red color. If the red color are appearance, the solution is known as acidic. We can confirm that by using the litmus paper. Okay. And one more thing students, whether the solution is a base. If the given solution is a base, we have to find out. We have to find out by using the litmus paper. At the time of a tip the solution with the litmus paper, the color are changed to blue color. So the solution is known as base. See students, so litmus is most commonly used natural indicator available in the strips, a paper of solution. So we can easily identify by using the litmus paper test. And second test students, China rose indicator. What is China rose? The rose is available in the Indian country also, but the name is derived from the scientist is called China rose because this the first time is the plant are growing in the China area, because the rose is called China rose. See children, actually the rose is nothing. The Hibiscus rosa sinus, the botanical name in the high school level, they are reading very detailedly about the China rose, the red color rose. That indicator also used to identify acid and bases. Okay. See students, the China rose which turns acidic solution to dark blue color. China rose which turns acidic solution to dark blue color. So the dark blue almost is known as the magenta. You know very well the magenta color. The magenta color are formed when the China rose are tipped or add with any acidic solution. Okay, and the basic solution to green color by using the China rose. Okay students, but this indicator also used to identify acid or base. Correct. The last one indicator is called phenolphthalein indicator. See students, before the discuss about the phenolphthalein, how we are make the phenolphthalein indicator, what are the purpose, how they are used to identify acid and basic solution. Okay, the phenolphthalein are made by the combination of phenol and phthalic anhydride. See students, the phenolphthalein are prepared by addition of phenol with phthalic anhydride and phenol. These are the important reactant to get the phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, very familiar indicator in the laboratory, and also industrial uses also they are using to identify so many appearance color titration, and it is also used to identify the acidic solution or basic solution. See here students, this is another indicator by giving the pink color in the case of the basic solution. Basic solution, you know very well. Basic means what students? Any hydroxide along with the metal. Suppose you take a sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. You know. So all the hydroxide is generally known as basic solution. The pH value is above 7 because the solution is known as a base. So when we are adding the phenolphthalein to the acidic solution, the acidic solution where there is a colorless, remaining same color there is no any change in the acidic solution, but it form a pink color with the basic solution. Are you able to understand students? So phenolphthalein indicator are used to also whether it is given the substance acidic solution or basic solution. So phenolphthalein add with the basic solution, it form a pink color, but there is no change in the acidic solution. In any acid, there is no any change, remaining same color, appearance, the test tube or beaker, whatever it is. Okay, children, that's all about the detailed explanation about the indicator, about litmus indicator, China rose indicator, and the phenolphthalein indicator. Thank you, students.